I did a video on this one a while back, and when I did the 3S speed run, the front tires blew off of it. Front tires came off. I guess I should glue those. Well, let's see what it got up to. 44 miles an hour. Well, I'm sure it'd do faster if I glue the front tires on. So I went ahead and glued the front tires on now, so they're all nice and secure. So I just want to take it out and do another 3S speed run on it and see what it'll do. So let's go find out. All right, 3S batteries in. Okay, 47 miles an hour. 47 miles an hour. That's pretty impressive. I'm happy with that. This build was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. I actually bought another one. And that would be this one right here. So y'all stay tuned. I'll have a video out on this one pretty soon. Anyway, guys, y'all be good and take care.